If you take a life, do you know what you'll get? Odds you won't like what it is. When the storm arrives, would you be seen with me by the merciless eyes of the sea? I've seen angels part from blinding heights, but you yourself are nothing so divine. Just next to mine, I'm yourself because no one else here will save you. The odds will betray you, and I will replace you. Can't deny the prize that may never fulfill you. It longs to kill you. Are you willing to die? The coldest blood runs through my veins. You know my name.